outdoor cooking just got a whole lot more exciting. Whether you're hosting a family BBQ, planning a backyard pizza night, or simply upgrading your garden setup, outdoor ovens are becoming the must-have gadget for every home. From wood-fired pizza ovens to portable propane models, these powerful units let you cook delicious meals with that authentic outdoor flavor you just can't get indoors. In this video, I'll show you some of the best outdoor ovens you can buy right now, perfect for grilling, baking, roasting, or slow cooking your favorite dishes. These ovens are designed for convenience, durability, and great taste, making them an ideal addition to any patio, backyard, or camping trip. If you're thinking about upgrading your outdoor cooking game, make sure to check out the affiliate links in the description for the best deals and latest models. Let's get started and turn your outdoor space into a true cooking paradise. If you love pizza nights, outdoor cooking, or hosting weekend BBQs, then the Mimiu Outdoor Gas Pizza Oven might just become your new favorite gadget. This 14-inch portable propane oven stands out in a crowded market, and here's why. First, the automatic rotating pizza stone is a game changer. Most outdoor pizza ovens require constant turning to avoid burning one side. But this oven rotates your pizza for you, giving you an even bake every time. No learning curve, no burning edges, just perfectly cooked crust with that classic wood-fired style finish. Powered by propane, the Mimiu oven heats up extremely fast, reaching temperatures up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit within minutes. That means you can bake a fresh pizza in just 60 to 90 seconds, making it ideal for parties, family gatherings, or even quick weeknight meals. Despite its high heat and fast performance, it's surprisingly easy to operate. Just connect it to a standard propane tank, ignite the burner, and you're ready to go. The build quality is solid and durable, designed for outdoor kitchens, patios, and even camping trips. It's portable enough to carry yet powerful enough to work like a professional pizza oven. The stainless steel finish gives it a premium look, while the global patent on its rotating system shows that Mimiu put real engineering into this design. Whether you enjoy classic margarita, loaded meat pizzas, or experimenting with your own recipes, this oven handles them all beautifully. You get crispy crusts, melted toppings, and restaurant-style results without leaving home. Overall, the Mimiu Outdoor Gas Pizza Oven is perfect for anyone who wants quick, delicious, evenly cooked pizzas with zero hassle. It's efficient, portable, simple to use, and absolutely worth it for pizza lovers and outdoor cooking fans. If you've ever wanted to make real wood-fired style pizza at home without the hassle of wood, then the Solo Stove Pi Prime Pizza Oven might be exactly what you need. This outdoor propane-powered oven brings restaurant-quality pizza straight to your backyard with almost no learning curve. First, let's talk design. The Pi Prime has that signature Solo Stove stainless steel look, sleek, modern, and built to last. The demi-dome shape isn't just for aesthetics. It's engineered for better heat circulation, meaning your pizzas cook evenly, with perfectly crisp edges and a soft, airy center. Inside, you get a cordierite stone cooking surface, which is a big deal. This stone heats up quickly, retains heat beautifully, and gives you that authentic Neapolitan-style leopard spotting. Even if it's your first time, the oven gives your pizza that perfect restaurant-style finish. One thing I love is the wide-mouthed opening. It makes launching and rotating the pizza easy, something that beginners usually struggle with in smaller ovens. And since it's propane-powered, you get consistent heat without dealing with wood management. Just turn the knob, ignite, and within minutes, the temperature climbs to the ideal pizza cooking zone. The oven itself is portable, so whether you're cooking at home, at a picnic, camping, or you can take this setup almost anywhere. And because it's stainless steel, cleanup is simple. A quick brush of the stone, and you're ready for the next round. In real-world use, the Pi Prime delivers fast cooking times. You can get a pizza done in just a couple of minutes once it's up to temp. The heat distribution is surprisingly even. The build quality feels premium, and the overall experience is smooth even for beginners. Final verdict. The Solo Stove Pi Prime is perfect for anyone who wants hassle-free, fast, and delicious pizza outdoors. Durable, stylish, portable, and extremely easy to use, it's a great buy for families, food lovers, and weekend cooks who want to elevate their outdoor cooking game. If you're serious about pizza nights at home, the Halo Versa 16 Pizza Oven might be the upgrade you've been waiting for. This compact yet powerful outdoor oven is designed to give you restaurant-style pizzas in just 5 minutes and, yes, it delivers. Right out of the box, the build quality stands out. It's solid, well-engineered, and looks premium. But the real magic is inside its patented dual-burner system. One burner heats the bottom stone, while the other surrounds the pizza with even top heat. The result, perfect leopard spotting, crispy crusts, and evenly melted cheese without burning the edges. What truly sets the Versa 16 apart is the 16-inch rotating stone. Unlike traditional pizza ovens where you have to manually rotate the pizza and risk overcooking a side, here the stone does it for you, smooth, consistent, and absolutely hands-free. Just slide your pizza in and let the oven do the work. Powered by propane, the oven heats up extremely fast. You'll reach 900 degrees Fahrenheit level cooking performance in minutes, which is essential for true Neapolitan-style pizzas. And because it cooks so efficiently, it uses less fuel than many other outdoor pizza ovens in its class. Cleaning is surprisingly easy too. The removable components and open access design mean you can sweep out crumbs or clean the stone without any struggle. Halo clearly designed this to be user-friendly for both beginners and experienced pizza makers. Who is this oven for? If you want fast, consistent, wood-fired style pizzas without dealing with wood pellets, ash, or learning curves, this oven hits the sweet spot. It's also great for outdoor parties, camping trips, or backyard cooking since it's portable and simple to set up. Overall, the Halo Versa 16HZ1004NA is a powerful, convenient, and innovative pizza oven that offers excellent value. With its rotating stone, dual burners, and fast cooking time, it transforms pizza making into a truly fun and effortless experience.